everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to create 5 eye looks using only one eyeshadow palette. And today I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. It's in the variant Red Alert. And as you can see, the shades are beautiful. There are endless possibility. I have created only 5 looks using this palette. And yeah, if you want to see all the looks I created, then please keep on watching. But before that, if you're new here, then hi, I'm Duti. I create beauty and lifestyle related content here on my channel. And if that's what you like watching, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button right next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And now, without any further ado, let's quickly dive into the video. So for the first look, I'm going for a purple smoky eye, and for that I'm first applying the dark purple shade all over my lid with the flat shader brush, and then with the help of a small blending brush I'm just blending the edges using a dark pink shade. And then using a big fluffy brush I'm just diffusing all the colors and blending out the edges with this peachy pink color. And for my lower lash line, I'm just applying the same colors to balance out my upper lash line. That is the dark purple color, then the pink color, and then the peachy pink color. And I'm applying the highlighting shade on my inner corner, and I'm then using the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara for my lashes. And for the lipstick, I'm using the Insight Matte Lipstick in the shade Joyful. And here's how it looks with and without lashes. And for the second look, I'm going to create the classic Kardashians eye look, and for that, using a small blending brush, I'm just applying the brown shade all over my crease, and then with the help of a big fluffy brush, I'm just blending out the brown using this nude peachy shade. And then I'm taking this white shade from the same palette, and with the help of my finger, I'm applying it all over my lid. And to balance out my lower lash line, I'm applying the same brown color on my lower lash line. And then I'm using the same highlighting shade to highlight my inner corner. And to define my upper lash line, I'm applying eyeliner for this look. Then for the lashes, I'm using the Seri Cosmetics mascara. Just to coat them up, I'm anyway gonna apply falsies. And for the lips, first I'm applying the Mars Cosmetics lip crayon in the shade Girlpower. And then I'm using the Maybelline Color Jolt matte lipstick in the shade Exotic Mauve on the center to give it a plump effect. And here's how it looks with and without lashes. And to be very honest, out of all the looks I created for this video, this one is my favorite. Now for the third look, I'm going for a hollow eye look. I know it sounds difficult, but trust me, it is not. First, using a small blending brush, I'm just defining my creases. And now to blend out the red color, I'm using this dark pink color, and with the help of a small blending brush, I'm just blending it out. Then to give it a hollow effect, I'm applying a gold shade on the middle of my lid. And to provide more depth to the look, I'm using a lighter golden shade and I'm applying it on the center of my lid. I'm doing the same on my lower lash line, that I'm using the red color on the inner and outer corner, and then blending it out with the dark pink color, and then blending it further with the light pink color. And to give my lower lash line a hollow effect, I'm also applying the golden shade on the middle of my lower lash line. And for the lashes, I'm again using the Maybelline mascara to just coat them up. And for the lips, I'm using the Lakme Matte Melt lipstick in the shade Mulberry Fist, I guess. I am not sure about the shade. And then I'm using another Lakme lipstick on the center of my lip. And yeah, with that we finished this look, and this is how it turned out with and without lashes. And for the next look, and probably the easiest look of this look series, I'm using the dark peach shade, and with the help of a flat brush I'm applying it all over my lids. And then with the help of a small blending brush, I'm blending out the edges so that it looks more diffused and blended. And for the lower lash line, I'm doing the same. I am applying the color first with the help of a flat brush, and then I'm blending it out using a blender brush. And using the only highlighting shade that the palette has, I'm highlighting my inner corners. And for the lashes, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. And for the lips, I'm using the same Mars Cosmetics lip crayon in the shade Girlpower and the Maybelline Color Jolt lipstick as I have used for the second look. And to amp up the look a little bit more, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Penelope Peach Stop. And here's how the look turned out with and without lashes. And for the last look, I'm creating a faux eyeliner look, and for that I'm using a flat brush and creating the winged liner using the dark purple shade. And then I'm just slightly blending it out using a small pencil brush. And then I'm using the nude shade to define my crease a little bit, and for that I'm using a small blending brush. And then I'm applying the highlighting shade all over my lid with the help of my finger. And then to amp up the liner a little bit, I'm applying the red metallic shade over the liner. And for the lashes, I'm again using my favorite Maybelline Falsie Lash Lift Mascara to just coat them up. And for the lips, I'm using the Lakme Matte Melt Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mulberry Feast. And yeah, with that we finished this look, and this is how it turned out with and without lashes. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I tried to keep every look very easy to do so that even if you are a beginner, it is easy for you to create this look. And also there was a look for every occasion, I guess, for daily wear, and for wedding season is around the corner. So if you want to try any look for wedding season, so there is a look for wedding season as well. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite look, and I will see you super soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care. Bye.